Hi, my name's Mark Pennine. I'm the Town Stone Technical Manager for ARDEX. Today I'd like to talk about the need for speed shower systems. When you need a reliable, quality tile installation as quickly as possible, ARDEX is here to help. These shower systems can install in just one day. When you do a quality waterproofing, use ARDEX 8+9. It's a two-component, cement-based, waterproof and crack isolation membrane. It allows you to tile in just 90 minutes. For your tile installation, we suggest ARDEX X7R. It's a rapid set tile and stone mortar, and it's ready for grout in just 3 hours. And then for your grouting, ARDEX FL rapid set sanded grout allows shower to be used the very next day, compared to 3 days for our competitors. ARDEX shower systems are a fast-track solution delivering installation quality as quickly as possible with outstanding performance and high quality. Please contact your local sales pro at the number on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.